What's going on, guys? This is Randy with another daily crypto video. Today I'm going to go over the altcoin roundup for the week, and we're going to be covering Cardano, Ethereum, Iota, Aave, Solana, and Origin Protocol. But some other news here real quick for the week. China does not prohibit Bitcoin, says Beijing Arbitration Commission. Also, Iranian authorities greenlight power plant. It's mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin wallet ledger's database was hacked for 1 million emails. Blockchain project Polkadot raises $43 million in a private token sale. DeFi flash loans skyrocket to more than $130 million per day. And Fidelity releases first report in Bitcoin investment thesis. So let's get into the top news for the week. So Cardano finally releases Shelley. So the mainnet version of Shelley went live following a hard fork of the Cardano blockchain. This transition represents a major shift into a state of Cardano that will be defined by decentralization and staking ahead of the next milestone of smart contract capabilities. Following Shelley's delivery, Cardano will be 50 to 100 times more decentralized, with up to 1,000 staking pools taking an active role in consensus and governance, pushing voting power to the community. Holders of ADA will be able to delegate their stake to a pool for the first time, earning passive rewards for taking part in the consensus. So ADA finally making some moves. They finally got Shelley out, and onto the next. We'll see what happens with ADA. I know it's a big deal that they're finally able to make this happen, and of course, earning staking rewards is always a great thing. And it just means that Ethereum needs to finish up 2.0 and get that rolling to keep up with all the other blockchains making moves. So the significance of this, the Shelley mainnet launch has been widely anticipated and has finally arrived. This is a significant step in terms of the decentralization of the network and launch of staking. But all eyes will be on the next release, Goguen, that enables smart contracts and allows developers to start building. So yeah, that's the big thing. Goggen's going to be massive. It's if they don't get to it, if it doesn't happen, that could be horrible news for ADA. Of course, we think that it's going to get there. It might be delayed a number of times because that's just seems to be what happens if things get delayed. But you don't want to rush things and have it not work. All right, so Ethereum's last testnet to launch on August 4th ahead of the ETH 2.0 beacon chain. All right, so months of hard work from the ETH2 research team, along with Consensus and DeepWork Studio, have resulted in the release of the ETH2 validator launchpad, the testnet version. This will allow users to keep track of and make deposits into the upcoming Mandala multi-client testnet. The idea behind the launchpad is to make the process of becoming an ETH2 validator as easy as possible without compromising its security and education. ETH2 will be launched in 3 phases. Phase 0 contains the machinery for consensus and tracks validators and balances. Phase 1 adds and stores data, and Phase 2 adds execution so programs can run on top of it. Staking rewards are built so that if the total amount of ETH staked is low, the annual rewards is high. But as the total stake rises, the reward received by each validator starts to fall. Instructions to get started are linked below. And I'll also link this article in the description below so you can find that link as well. So the significance of this, it pushes Ethereum one step closer to finalizing testnet and beginning to launch ETH2 on Mainnet. It provides those that want to stake ETH with the ability to participate in the testnet and prepare the system for launch. So the next story I covered here just the other day, Iota comes out with Stronghold after they had a security breach earlier in the year. So they're taking care of business and came out with this Stronghold to make sure everything runs smoothly with their wallets and they don't get hacked again. I'm not going to read everything here because, like I said, I did just go over this the other day. Same thing with Aave. Aave released Tokenomics upgrade, Aavenomics proposal. Okay, so Lend will migrate to Aave via a Genesis governance vote at a rate of 100 Lend per 1 Aave, decreasing total supply to just 16 million tokens. 13 million Aave tokens will be redeemed by Lend token holders, and 3 million will be allocated to the Aave ecosystem reserve. Aave will launch a safety module for staked Aave to act as collateral of last resort, with new incentives to reward stakers with safety incentives along with a percentage of protocol fees. Liquidity providers leveraging Balancer can also earn BAL tokens. A new governance framework will grant key decisions making to Aave token holders and introduce Aave improvements protocol. So the significance of this is the major milestone on the journey towards a more decentralized governance for the Aave protocol. This upgrade transitions power from the Aave core team to Aave token holders and introduces new staking rewards. And we love our staking rewards. So Serum and Solana. Solana chose by FTX for new Serum decentralized exchange. So FTX and Alameda Research created the Serum Foundation and announced Serum, a new high-speed non-custodial DEX that's built on Solana. Serum will decentralize the entire DeFi stack. In order to maximize access, Serum will support cross-chain asset swaps, decentralized stablecoins, decentralized oracles, and non-custodial wrap BTC, BCH, BSV, LTC, ZEC, ETH, and ERC20s. Building on Solana enables the best of both centralized and decentralized worlds, an exchange that is censorship resistant and non-custodial, and that is fast, inexpensive, and high liquid. This is also possible because Solana enables Serum to run a CLOB that updates every 400 milliseconds. So the significance, this partnership has the potential to push DeFi solutions to the next level in terms of liquidity, speed, cost, and true decentralization. It provides Solana the opportunity to demonstrate the power of their network and advantages over the currently expensive and sluggish Ethereum-based DEX. All right, Solana, making some moves here in the DeFi space. Origin Protocol. So they launched their Dshop, Decentralized E-commerce Store Creator. So the Dshop Creator is the first time merchants anywhere can launch free, fully decentralized store in minutes. Merchants can accept a range of payments, including digital assets and credit card payments via Stripe. Dshop is a free and open source e-commerce solution built on IPFS in the Ethereum blockchain. Existing partners like Brave Software, Kyber, and Solana are already using the technology to power their stores, and Origin is now making it available for free to new merchants everywhere. Without needing knowledge of blockchain technology or software engineering, anyone with a computer and something to sell can launch a decentralized online store in less than a day. Sounds incredible, really. So the significance, the launch is an important milestone in creating consumer-friendly use cases in DeFi and the decentralized commerce. It also presents a major challenge to decentralized counterparts and gives more control to the store owners. Yeah, that sounds pretty awesome. I've been on the Brave store plenty of times, and I was looking in to see who they were using for their e-commerce platform, and now I know pretty cool stuff. So the quote of the week: combined with a record level of debt accumulation by the U.S. government, real concerns around the longevity of the U.S. dollar as a reserve currency have started to emerge. Goldman Sachs. All right, guys, that's it for the weekly roundup. One thing I wanted to mention was if you have not downloaded the Brave browser yet to earn free basic attention token just by using their browser, you definitely want to check that out. It gives you all these stats too on what they're actually doing, which is blocking ads and trackers. They're saving you bandwidth and most importantly saving you time. all while you're earning basic attention token. I've earned 13.825 basic attention tokens this month just for my desktop, and I've earned $3, which equals $3.49 US dollars. And I've earned about the same on my mobile phone as well, just by clicking little advertisements like this here, this World Series of Trading. I click it, then I earn some basic attention token. Links down in the description for that, and I will see you tomorrow.